As one of the leading providers in Europe, Binderholz supplies construction markets, DIY stores and garden centres, as well as solid timber wholesalers. In the DIY segment, Binderholz offers a wide range of solid timber, comprising solid wood panels, lumber, softwood lumber, profile timber, garden timber, construction timber and classing panels made of indigenous wood types. One crucial factor in the DIY sector is punctual and reliable logistics. The Binderholz site in Oberroth, Baden-Württemberg, Germany acts as a logistical platform for the DIY sector within the group. Here, products from the various Binderholz Group plants are collected, bundled and loaded for supply to DIY customers. DIY stores all over the world are served through several unloading points per truckload and a very varied mixture of products from our production facilities. Here it is important to meet specific retail needs, market-appropriate packaging units, bundling and foiling, attractive labels and inserts, EAN code labeling and optimum positioning of our products on the store shelves with sales systems and customer information. Our customers in the DIY sector appreciate our reliability as well as our high level of performance and product quality. For many years, we have supplied materials that generate genuine passion among DIY enthusiasts.